Boxty. Potato griddle cakes. A main dish from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Grate raw potatoes and mix with the cooked mashed potatoes. Add salt, pepper, and flour. Step 2. Beat egg and add to mixture with just enough milk to make a batter that will drop from a spoon. Step 3. Drop by tablespoonfuls onto a hot griddle or frying pan. Cook over a moderate heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Step 4. Serve with a tart applesauce, or as part of an Ulster Fry, with fried bacon, fried sausage, fried eggs, fried black pudding, fried bread, or fried soda bread. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.